What is the meal plan? The meal plan is a mnemonic device developed by the Duke University Writing Program to help you remember the elements that go into a good academic body paragraph. So the M stands for the mini thesis or main idea. This is the claim or argument or analytic point that this particular paragraph is going to develop. This point should connect back to the main ideas that you present in your thesis, so it works as a mini thesis within the overall thesis of your paper. The E stands for evidence. The evidence would be specific direct quotations, paraphrases, statistics, or other references from your text or research that will help you support your mini thesis. It's important to note that you may have more than one piece of evidence in a given paragraph. The A in this device stands for analysis. So in the analysis part, you do your best to explain how your evidence supports your main idea. Much like with evidence, analysis may happen more than once in a paragraph. So you may present some evidence and then analyze it, and then present more evidence and then analyze that too. Finally, towards the end of the paragraph, you want to try to make a link back to your thesis. So if you remember, M, mini thesis, is linking back to your thesis by presenting a main idea. At the end of the paragraph, if you can, you want to again gesture back to that thesis, though here you might make it a little more complex because you've been able to develop your idea using evidence and analysis. So now you have a little more to say than you did at the beginning. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Colburn Classroom for more videos.